So what are the risks of it? Side effects that have been reported are injection site pain, tenderness, swelling of lymph nodes in the same arm, swelling, hardness, and redness. General side effects: fatigue, headache, muscle pain, joint pain. I get all that anyway. Chills, nausea, vomiting, and a fever. There is a remote chance that it could cause a severe allergy reaction. A severe allergic reaction would usually occur within a few minutes to an hour after the dose. Okay, so I'm within a half hour of the dose. Let's see. For your vaccination provider, I should ask you to stay in place, which I did. Signs of severe allergy include difficulty breathing, swelling of the face and throat. I got redness. Let's see, swelling of the face and throat, fast heartbeat, bad rash over your body, and redness and weakness. These may not be all possible side effects. Serious, unexpected side effects may occur because this vaccine is still being studied in clinical trials, which is what we are. What should I do about side effects? If you experience anything, call 911 and call the vaccination provider. Report the vaccine side effects to the FDA/CDC for under the vaccine adverse event report system. Let's see, in addition to reporting side effects, you can call effects to Moderna, Texas. They named it after a city. Oh, my word. You may also be given the option to enroll in VSafe. VSafe is a new voluntary smartphone-based tool, which I just did. And it's at www.cdc.gov/vsafe. And like I said, there was a scan block that I signed into. What if I decide to get it? It's kind of late now. It's not going to affect your medical care. Other choices available for preventing it. There are no FDA-approved alternate vaccines available to prevent COVID-19. So you're kind of in there. What if I'm pregnant and breastfeeding? If you're pregnant, discuss your options with your healthcare provider. Keep your vaccine card. When you receive your first dose, on your card with your return date. Remember, bring it with you. I'll probably forget. And then there is, like I said, the scan. Visit CDC at www.cdc.gov/coronavirus/2019 not underscore /NCOV/index.html. Also visit FDA at fd.fda.gov/emergency-policy-framework/emergency-use-authorization. Say that quick. Or contact your state and local public health department. Jesus Christ. I got shot in my left arm. I'm feeling a little something around here. Let's see. Where will my vaccination information be recorded? Vaccination provider may include your vaccine information in your local jurisdiction immune information system. What are the countermeasures? Injury compensation program. Countermeasures injury compensation program is a federal program that may help pay for costs of medical care and other specific expenses of certain people who have been seriously injured by certain medicines or vaccine, including this vaccine. Generally, a claim must be submitted to the CICP within 1 year from the date of receiving the vaccine. Okay. What is your emergency use authorization? The United States FDA has made the Moderna COVID vaccine available under the emergency access mechanism called the EUA. The EUA is supported by the Secretary of Health and Human Services, HHS, declaration that circumstances exist to justify the emergency use of drugs and biological products during the pandemic. Moderna vaccine has not undergone, again, the same types of review as the FDA approved or cleared FDA product. FDA may issue a EUA when certain criteria are met, which include that are not adequate, which include that there are no adequate approved or available alternatives. This edition FDA decision is based on totally or specific evidence available showing that the product may be effective in preventing it. Or the President of the United States says, give it to everybody. This is an executive order. Jesus. Let's see. And again, they feel that the known and potential benefits of the product outweigh the unknown and potential risks of the product. All those criteria must be met to allow for products to be used during the COVID pandemic. Now, you know that they could have given a placebo. They could have given half the group coming in here placebos, and then the rest of them actual. So you have no idea. Think about that. UA for the Moderna, not an M, Moderna vaccine is in effect for the duration of the COVID EUA declaration justified emergency use of this product, unless terminated or revoked, after which products may no longer be used. So this parking lot is now empty. Everybody's gotten their shot. Everybody went home. So there we are. Just me sitting here. Next steps. VA side effects and adverse events reporting fact sheet. Whether you are an employee or a veteran receiving the COVID vaccine, you have taken an important step toward protecting yourself, family, friends, and your community. We're all military members. We serve our country. Now that you have received the vaccine, what can you expect? Vaccines protect us by stimulating the body's natural immune system to produce antibodies to fight a virus. This is called the immune response. Vaccines are a way to trigger the immune response to allow the body to protect against becoming infected and getting sick from illnesses like the COVID-19. Many people who receive the COVID-19 vaccine may experience a reaction having mild symptoms. They may include your arm being sore, red, warm touch. These symptoms usually go away on their own within a few days to a week. Some people report getting a headache, fatigue, fever, muscle aches, getting a vaccine. These side effects are signs that your immune system is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It is working to build up protection of the disease. It is important to know that the side effects you expect and which ones should be reported to your healthcare team. Contact your healthcare provider if symptoms make you unable to work, do daily activities, or if you feel that you need an urgent care for these symptoms. This report is part of the Emergency Use Authorization EUA safety monitoring process reporting to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. You can play an important role in this process, which I'm doing right now. I'm passing it on to you. And let's see. Local symptoms of the injection site: pain, discomfort, redness, swelling, itching. General symptoms not at the injection site include chills, fever, headache, joint pain, muscle and body aches, fever and tiredness, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, rash, not at the injection site, allergic reactions, and swollen glands. If you experience reactions to the vaccine, please use the table on the back of the sheet to report your symptoms and the daily that you experience with them. If you experience these symptoms, I'm going to pass this on, this will be a regular series, and they have an impact on your daily routine, please contact your provider. If you are an employee and experience symptoms of the COVID vaccine that impact daily activities, please contact your local employee occupational health department, which means they may, it's possible they could even quarantine you. If you are a veteran and experience symptoms of the COVID-19 vaccine that impact your daily activities, please contact your health team, which is right here. It'll be Dr. Canfield. You will be returning for the second dose on April 2nd, 2021. Bring the sheet and record with you. Okay, and let's see. Dose 1, have you had any of the general symptoms? No. Please contact your provider immediately if any of the following occur after you receive the vaccine. You're admitted to the hospital for any reason. You receive a positive test for the COVID. If female, you become pregnant. I don't think you're going to get pregnant from the shot, but anyway. If so, that's a whole new scenario there. Okay, so that is the whole pamphlet. Went through that really quick, and it is called Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. I guess named after Moderna, Texas. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share this. Okay, just definitely pass it on. Right now, yeah, it's feel a little bit tense where I got it. I can't tell if my face is gone red because of this. There was a little bit of pain right here. I don't have any issues breathing. So, all right. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs under health and fitness and the Moderna. COVID-19 vaccine.